Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to put our ETC sensors into a capture mode so that you can see what the sensor is seeing on the wellhead. So the first thing you need is a link USB adapter. So this has a USB connection on one side that goes to your PC, and then it's got a provided cable that goes out to whichever sensor you're using. Important to note is on the back here, there is a selection switch to pick whether it's the Cyclops or the Sasquatch you're talking to. On the other side, we're going to plug this into the sensor, either with the Cyclops or the Sasquatch. It's relatively the same thing. And then we're able to open up our Vision software, which can be downloaded for free at www.etcorp.ca. All right, so when we open up Vision, it's on the Home tab. We're going to go over to the Setup tab. We want to make sure that the right sensor is selected, Cyclops in this case. And we want to pick the link USB serial port here. It's typically the only one in the list. If this list is blank, you might want to make sure that your USB cable is plugged in and then hit refresh, and then the list of currently connected devices will show up there. Press the connect button. Now we're connected to the sensor. We can see that the mode right now on the sensor is normal. If you ever need to verify that, you can press get mode. It's going to make sure that you're in switch setting 0, which means we can talk to the sensor. Click OK. Oh, there we go. We can see that it's normal and its sensitivity is 25. For this demo, though, we want to put it into full debug mode to see everything that the sensor is seeing. We select that radio button. We push set mode. It's going to verify it. Says it's in capture full debug. Now we're going to go over to the capture tab to see what the sensor is seeing. So we just go start here. Wants to make sure that we're in mode 4 or any kind of non-zero mode so that it's going to be in an operational position. So we'll do that. Click OK. And you can see we're getting samples in real time here. The blue is the real-time magnetic samples. The green is the baseline, which you can see quickly catches it. And now it's ready to receive a plunger. And so it's looking in real time to see if there's any kind of disruptions in the magnetic field or if a plunger comes in. If I move around the sensor, its view of the world is changing all the time. And so you're getting a real-time view of exactly what's happening inside the wellbore. When you're done in your debug mode and you're done seeing what you want to see, make sure you stop the capture. You go back to the setup tab. We want to make sure that before we put this on a wellhead that it's back to the normal mode. If it's left in a capture mode, it's going to be sending data to the control system, which is going to look like a trip. So we're going to go back to normal. We want to make sure that it's in switch position 0 so that we can talk to it. So make sure we do that. We go set mode. It's going to verify it's back to normal and the sensitivity is 25. That's exactly what we want. And now we can disconnect. And this sensor is able to be put back on a wellhead. You want to make sure that it's put back into a position other than 0 if you want it to be operating on the wellhead, though, because in 0 it's going to be waiting to receive commands. So we've done that. Click OK, and then we're all done.